Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your Ticketmaster gift card. So let's get started right away. First of all, you're going to want to open up your web browser, so go ahead and open it up. Now, once you open up your browser, simply type in ticketmaster.com in the address bar and press enter. This will now take you into the official website for Ticketmaster. Now, first of all, click on the sign in button and you will be allowed to log into your account. Simply type in your email address followed by your password and click on the sign in button to log you in to Ticketmaster. Now, once you are logged into your account, you can click on the gift card section at the top right corner alongside help. After clicking on this, you can either buy a desired gift card by clicking on the buy button, or in order to activate or log into your card, you can check your balance by clicking on check balance or the click here button underneath check balance section. Now, once you click on this, you might be asked to sign into your account if you haven't done so already. So sign in using your email address and your password, and once you click on the sign in button, you will be logged in to your Ticketmaster gift card. You may need to enter the gift card credentials, so make sure you have them ready to go. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to activate your Ticketmaster gift card. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also, ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.